morning, Stefania.
Good morning, Sonia.
How are you, Stefania?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm very fine, thank you. So, Stefania Barzanti is the marketing manager and business development Extra-Pharma in IMA Active. IMA Active is a division of the Italian company IMA Group that doesn't need any presentation, of course. So, Stefania, we met a few months ago at Gulf Food Manufacturing held in Dubai. We should met at Interpack in the last weeks, but as we know, all the events were postponed to the next year. So I'm very glad to have this virtual interview with you to learn the last solution that your division is proposing to our markets. And please, let's focus on the food sector.
Yes, we met, you're right, we met, it seems like a lifetime. We met at Gulf Food. There we were presenting a line for soup cube manufacturing. The line was composed by a Prexima 300T tablet press, linked in line with an i10 wrapping machine from our sister company Corazza. So what we did meanwhile, so the machine that we exhibited there was really the first time presented to the market. So what we did when the machine was brought back home was an extensive testing session. Originally, it was planned to make these trials together with customers. Unfortunately, the winter was what it has been, but nevertheless, we could test extensively the machine. And I have to say that we were very surprised with the results.
Which are the main results that you have get?
The result that struck us at most is the speed that we could reach. You have to think that this machine was designed to be linked in line with the Corazza i10. So basically the speed the machine was designed for is about 1,000 tablets per minute. But when we tested the machine with customer products and we tested several blends, both vegetable and chicken and beef based, with all of them, we could reach a higher speed, up to 1,800 with one product, but higher than 1,400 with all products. So basically the machine has demonstrated to be much faster than what we had originally thought it for.
This is a great success.
It is indeed. Now we are very curious. We would like to test more products to make more trials with customers to really understand what the limit of this technology are. We feel very confident. We are happy with the result.
Stefania, can you explain just in a few words which are the main features of this new solution?
Yes, the machine has several hallmarks that we knew could have been a winning point also when working with the soup cube powder. But we never expected such a good result. First of all, what we have studied is a new dye feeding system, which is particularly long and designed for feeding, high efficiency feeding of wet products with a low flowability. So the feeder is made in such a way that it enhances product flowing down into the dye, while at the same time preventing powder bridging inside of the feeder itself. So this is very important when you have to feed powders which does not flow very well, like soup cube powders, and you have to produce a big tablet, so you have to feed as much as 10 grams each tablet at high speed.
I see. So just a few words for the future. I really hope to meet you in person in the next month, but where do you think that we can see Prexima for the next month, if will be some events in our brand, in our sector?
So for sure, we would like to bring the line again. In this case, we also added a tray packing machine from our sister line, GIMA. So it will be a line composed by 3 machines at Interpack in end of February, beginning of March next year. Hopefully the exhibition will take place. And then, yes, so far this is our next appointment, I would say.
Okay. So Stefania, let's hope to meet you there.
If you like, you are very welcome anytime also at our plant. It would be a pleasure for me to organize a tour for you.
Thank you so much. I will visit you for sure.